Welcome to Kit, the modern way to manage tools and equipment. Kit blends the traditions of visual tool control with a world-leading digital management solution. Kit provides an inventory of every tool and piece of equipment all in one place. Wherever the item is stored, users can instantly look up asset locations via desktop or mobile. Customers can audit their tools and equipment almost instantly. Users can check item status, including condition, availability and calibration within seconds. Damaged or faulty tools and equipment can be reported from anywhere on any device. Alerts can be automatically delivered to prompt action. Kit, quality and compliance for tooling and equipment.